Rigetti stock has made a huge move today, and it's exactly what we kind of expected. In fact, we made a video earlier. The only thing is, I was wrong. It wasn't going to take a day or two for it to reach this 10% surge here. It's actually going to take just an hour at market open today. It's up about 16.63%. And you can see IonQ's up 13%, QBTS is up over 10%, and you can also see Nvidia was rocking it today. Now, we were trading two things this morning. This went really well. One of them didn't go well, which is SOXS. We ended up getting our stop there. But that's okay. We had some really profitable investments in semiconductors. But take a look. Quantum computing. Rigetti stock has been on this trend here. Same thing with IonQ. And we actually called it out this morning. If you guys take a look, urgent quantum stocks right here are looking bullish at market open or before market open. And here's what the video said. Maybe we've seen some of these pullbacks the past really 2 days, 3 days, and IonQ is about to make a big push up here. If we see IonQ continue this trend, that would be about a 17% increase if we see this trend continue. So you got IonQ making those moves. If you take a look at Rigetti's chart, it looks quite similar. So you can see these levels, pretty similar again, kind of discounting April, early April there, and just drawing the trend here. And then we can go ahead and get the resistance up here. It's somewhere in this range, right? And it starts to maybe look like, okay, we're bouncing here and we might see a continuation. So then Rigetti stock has this potential for profit that looks like maybe 10 to 20%. So these are the bullish outlooks, and you can look. So that was today. We before market open, we're doing this analysis. Today we see 16.6% on Rigetti. So it's not only made it quicker, but surged more than that. IonQ 13%, and some other companies in quantum doing quite well. Yeah, we do see the market going green today and things looking pretty good. But here's what I want to introduce to you. In our market live session this morning, which we're doing in Stockmates, we talked about how these green moves are good. They're looking a little overbought. And if we played the downtrend a little bit, but if we're going to see breakouts, right now might be the time. SPY is starting to recover. We're starting to see the markets look more green. And then there's a reason why Rigetti stock and these stocks are up. If you take a look at RGTI stock, some of the news, they just closed an investment by Quanta Computer. This was directly from Rigetti, but we could look at this Yahoo article because we know it's a legit article from Rigetti. In connection with closing, Quanta purchased approximately $35 million of shares of Rigetti at approximately $11.59 a share. And right now, Rigetti's only at $10.70. So they're overpaying for Rigetti in anticipation that the stock is going to go up. That's really good investor sentiment that they could expect the stock to go up in the near term. And then on top of that, you have these companies like IonQ and Rigetti getting more access to funding. This bill recently passed. It's a $2.7 billion National Quantum Initiative Reauthorization Act, which means they're putting more money from funding in the government into what is going to be this quantum computing technology. Advancements in quantum science and technology are a game changer. According here to Senator Cantwell, it says from healthcare breakthroughs to clean energy solutions, quantum applications in sensing, computing, and communications are going to reshape our future. And as a result, they passed the bill, again, $2.7 billion. And one of the companies that was directly related to this article and had comments on the bill was IonQ. At the time, Peter Chapman, the CEO, had some things he said. IonQ applauds the senator for this. Oh, looks like my power's back on. You guys heard the beeps. Part of that was the power went off. Sometimes they turn off the power in anticipation of wildfires in California because of all the wind. I don't know if that's exactly what it was, but they turned off the power for a while. I was running on a hotspot and all the power from my computer, and we're still making it happen. Didn't want to mention it, because it didn't seem relevant, but now that we got the video interrupted, there you go. The power's been out, but we're still here. All right, so when it comes to Rigetti and you see these moves, now we're seeing a breakout. This is not just resistance and that's it. Now we're going to see it sell back down. I'm not bearish even after this push up today. The reason why is we're getting back into this territory of where the trend was projected before the market sell-offs. And the market sell-offs, mind you, they happened and it's been a key role in why the market's gone down. But look at some of the trajectory of quantum computing before some of the sell-offs. Look at that trajectory. Now you're looking at the revenue, the financials of these companies, and they're looking okay. They aren't surprising you. But the investor sentiment, the Microsoft investing more money and starting to release their quantum chips, Google releasing their quantum chips, Amazon releasing their quantum chips with Amazon Ocelot. And then you take a look at Rigetti, for example, and you head over to, you got Microsoft Azure, you have over on Amazon AWS, you can tap into Rigetti computing through the cloud and use these quantum processors, these QPUs. So quantum computing is solving faster the types of problems that take much longer on GPUs. And that is part of why the quantum computing space is getting so much investment from big companies, big tech, and seeing more of, a focus. That's why we have our quantum AI watch list here. And that's why we focus on these companies. If you guys ever want to stay up to date with them, we're running a new sale. If you guys are interested in learning how to invest and watching our daily live sessions where we go live and trade each and every morning at Market Open, you might consider, if you're up for it, just consider taking a look at the second link in the description. It's Stockmates. We invest in quantum, AI, and space companies. And if those are the types of companies you see future in and you would like to learn how to invest in them, then I would encourage you to simply take a look at the second link in the description. Huge sale there, and I would love for you guys to join us there at Market Open. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on Rigetti stock down below. If I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button. Do consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.